What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything, guys. If you're not subscribers to the channel yet, if you could do that, I really appreciate it, guys. Hit the notification bell. Guys, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, give me comments. I was not going to do this review because it's an 07, but since the new Hummers are coming out, I've been getting a lot of people asking me out in public, you know, how do you like that Hummer, you know? So I'm like, you know, I'm going to do a review on this. It's a 2007. It's an H3. I've owned this thing for, I'm pushing up on this year will be 4 years. In the description below, I'm going to list all this work that I had to have done to it. When I bought this car, it had 59,000 miles on it. It's pushing 101,000 miles right now. So I am going to walk you around the car. I'm going to tell you everything that I like about it and what I dislike about it. All right, guys, so I'm going to walk around the car a little bit, tell you what I like and dislike. Obviously, what I like is the look of it. I think it just looks awesome. This is without a doubt one of my favorite cars that I've ever owned. I get around 18 miles per gallon, 16 to 18, but I drive a lot of highway miles to work, so I average around 18. Guys, the aerodynamics on this thing, it is very rough. You're gonna shake a lot whenever it's windy outside, and a lot of these flat parts on this car catch a lot of bugs. If you live where there's snow, you're gonna get a lot of slush from the road on here. I get a lot of buildup on these side the rear panels, a lot of buildup. The side rockers, I had them fall off before. I guess that's with any truck owner. You know, make sure that they're on tight. I thought I hit something, and by the time I got to my destination and realized they were missing, I went back and somebody was putting it in their truck, so I got it just in time. The windows are small. The rain guards are nice at the same time, but also makes the windows even smaller. So when you're at if you're going up to a drive-through, it's kind of hard. You're going to struggle trying to get your food in and out of there. Don't even try going up to a drive-through bank machine, because you're not even going to be able to reach it because you can't reach down. You're too high. You're just park your car and walk up. The look of it, I get comments all the time. They love the Hummer H3. I did not like the H2 because of how square it was. For hauling, for cargo reasons, these have a key in here and you slide it up and down the rails on the top. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and guys, another thing that's nice about this is the changing. I just changed the turn signal light yesterday. Changing the turn signal light, the fog lamps and the headlamps take like 5 minutes. It is so simple. It is so nice. I just got these tires not too long ago. They cost me 900 bucks. They were the same tires that were on there whenever I got it. I've never taken this thing off-roading, so I don't know its off-roading capability. It has a full-size tire, and I wish this tire would come off, like fold out, and I wish you could put the, you know, for hauling reasons, I wish that window would go up. And I have the door locked. Let me unlock it. It does come with a keyless entry, which is very stubborn. It works whenever it wants to work. The back cargo area is nice because it has a rubber padding on it. So if you have animals, this is very nice and soft for them on their feet. And it's got the, you know, hard back. It's very easy to clean. There's one of these storage things on both sides. So you got storage on both sides back here. It's two-toned. And like I said, very easy to clean, guys. Nice rubber. This is my second cargo net. The cargo nets, I just buy $7 cargo nets, so they rip real easy. So I just buy a couple of them at a time. You got the jack back here. That black spray down there that you see, that's overspray. There's undercoating on this, which was on there when I bought it, which is nice. It has a tow package, which is also nice. But for a bike rack, if you're trying to put a bike rack on the back of here, which we realized with the tire on there, it is not possible unless you get some type of extension. Like I said, the turn signals are easy to change. You can see that undercoating under there, which is a nice thing. I'm gonna open up the back here. Lots of leg room back here. Very simplistic on the inside. There's a lot of head room. And I put this thing on the back seat. I did not keep these in. I think these things are pretty stupid, to be honest. I did not think these things through. But these clips, there's 4 clips, and they clip on the hair. And if that's sitting there clipped onto there, every time someone gets in the car, I just laugh, because this is what you hear. It just falls off. You know, people hit it and it falls off. It falls off way too easy. So I leave them off. Cup holder, and you can put one back here too. So there's 2 cup holders back here, obviously, if you don't have your third passenger. These are hard plastic too on the back of here. The seats are nice, guys. The seats are pretty solid. They're pretty comfortable. The kids have enough room back here. The middle seat, obviously, you're not going to be too comfortable in that middle seat. But these two seats, they do complain about the middle seat. The middle seat in here is not fun. You got your handles up here for off-roading, but like I said, I don't do that. The seats do come down. It's a 60/40. This is another downfall. I'm going to put this seat down like this, and I'm going to show you the back and show you why I hate this, because this does not fold flat. Even if I push the seat up, it does not fold flat. So as you can see in the back, I mean, there is a huge lip there. So I can, ride stuff back here for storage reasons. There is a lot of space back here when it comes to just hauling normal stuff. It's not too bad, guys. And it's kind of funny. I've owned this for almost 4 years now, and there's probably something I don't know about the car. So if you guys are Hummer owners and you know something I don't know, let me know. I have not changed anything in here. It's a stock radio. You got your heat, you got your rear wiper blade down here. Like I said, this radio, and then the 4-high, I do have the key in right now. That's why that's lit up. This will stay lit up all the time. Guys, I never ever, and I live where there's a lot of snow. I've driven through like a foot of snow before on the road, and I never had to go into 4-high, 4-low if you're getting stuck or whatever. Never had to use the traction control. So this thing is a beast in the snow. I'm sure the size of the tires help too. Nice oversized sunroof. Very nice oversized sunroof. And that's why I have the car on, so I can show you that. If you just want it to go up a little bit and get a little bit of air in, it's got the tilt on there. And if you want to go all the way back, it is a one touch going all the way back. It does not go back all the way though. It stops right there. But you could take it back even more once it's done. But for some reason, you have to hold it to go forward. It's not a one-touch close for some reason. But whatever. It's tinted, so you can leave that open too. Handles on the inside. And guys, like I said about the windows, they are very small. So when you're driving this thing, there's my tow guard dash cam. I highly recommend getting one of those. If you have not seen that review, I love that thing. I'm actually going to start making a clip video of every knucklehead that I encounter on the road, which is daily. But guys, it is it took a while. It took a while to get used to the outside of this. I am not over an oil change. If you did happen to see those numbers, when I had that last oil change, I get synthetic oil in here. But this person, whoever did my oil change, only wrote 2,000 miles on it. So I have it marked down whenever I have to get the oil change, which is really soon. But guys, it is tight. It's tight looking out. You get used to it though, I promise. It's very simplistic here. There you go. I got 100,774 miles on it. And it runs fine. Like I said in the description below, I'm going to leave all the work I have done on it. I got all the paperwork, so I will leave that stuff down in the description below. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it on here. A really oversized. This is deep. I'm not going to open this because I got all my crap in there. Center console, you got 2 cup holders, got a little thing up here for your change or whatever you want to keep up here, but that's about it, guys. You got the door. There's some door slots down here. I changed the mats. I put rubber mats in here. Over here you got your headlights, your fog lights, your dimmer for inside the car. I don't use the OnStar. And then you got your parking brake. I leave the lights on auto. It's a 5-cylinder straight, same as the Colorado. I also believe it has the same chassis as the Colorado. Yeah, but guys, I mean, it's a nice car. Oh, here, there gives another downfall to it too, is that flat window. I've taken quite a few chips in here. I've had them filled. Believe it or not, I don't know if you could see it, that one right in front of my face, I actually got used to having it there. I got it filled a couple times. The flat window, you catch something on it, more than likely you're going to get a chip in your windshield. That's another downfall to it. Gives it that rugged look, but once again with the aerodynamics, not too good. The yellow cracks me up. I said I wasn't going to get yellow, but guys, I looked for Hummers for about a year, and I traveled to go look at them, and they are rough. So when I seen how clean this one was, I said I'll deal with the yellow, and actually it grew on me because I actually like it now. I know it's your typical, your typical Hummer, the yellow and black, but I love it. my favorite car, guys. You know, you guys have any questions or comments about it? Like I said, I wasn't going to review it, but now that the new Hummer came out, people are asking about it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Have a good one.